Hey, boys and girls. This morning we had a really great live teaching session on Zoom where we were talking about branching. Many of you were able to attend, some of you were not. And for those of you who were not able to be there live with us, I said that I would record the session for you. Unfortunately, I forgot to do that. So I am making this tutorial instead. So definitely need to check this out if you weren't able to watch the Zoom call. And even if you were, it'll be really good reinforcement. Okay, so branching is just an addition and subtraction strategy. It's one way that we can solve addition and subtraction equation. Branching is basically breaking down or decomposing whole numbers into parts that are more easily manageable, okay? We're trying to put it into parts that are easy for us to manipulate and play with in our head, because eventually you want to be able to add these numbers mentally without having to write down the steps of branching. But the more that you do it on paper and the more that you practice, the easier it becomes for you to do it in your head. So let's get started with this. And if you were on my Zoom call this morning, you know that it is quite difficult for me to draw on my laptop with this pen. So forgive me if I make any crazy looking numbers. But let's look at our first add-in. Our add-ins here are 23 and 46, the numbers that we are adding together or joining. We're going to branch both of these numbers. That's my first step. So 23, we have 2 10s and 3 1s. The value of 2 10s is 20, and the value of 3 1s is 3. So I have branched 23 into 20 and 3. Let's branch my second add-in. The value of 4 in the tens place is 40, and 6 1s is 6. Okay. Step 1 is I'm going to circle my tens, 20 and 40. And I'm going to combine them now. I'm going to add them together. 20 plus 40. Now, if you can do 2 plus 4, then you can do 20 plus 40. I hope nobody is putting 20 in their head and counting on 40. That would take forever. So 2 10s plus 4 10s is 6 10s, which is 60. Use your basic math facts here to help you. Now that I've added my 10s, I need to combine my 1s. I have 3 1s and 6 1s. 3 plus 6. Okay. Now, the commutative property, or the flip-flop property, as we call it at school, tells us that we can add these two numbers in any order and we're still going to get the same sum. So I'm going to put 6 in my head and count on 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. Ooh, that one looks crazy. Sorry. Let me clean that up. 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay. Now I have to combine. I have to add together 60 and 9, because if I look at my symbol here, I am adding. So 60 plus 9. This is secret code cards, guys, right? Because 6 is a friend of 10, it's a multiple of 10 that ends in 0. All I have to do is cover up that 0 with the 9, right? That's secret code cards. 60 plus 9 equals what, class? 69. Very good. So 23 plus 46 equals 69. And I know this seems like a lot, guys, to add those two numbers together, and some of you may have done column addition before, but the reason that we're doing this is, like I said at the beginning of the video, being able to decompose these numbers or break them down into tens and ones and add the friendly numbers, that makes it really easy for you to do this mentally in your head without having to write anything down eventually. Okay? Let's try one more, and this time get out your pencil and paper and do it with me, please. All right, let's see. Get rid of this, clear this off. Yes, okay. Let's type another one in here. Let's do 42 plus 57. If you'll write that down on your paper and do this with me, please. Make this a little bigger for you. All right, let's get started. Hold on, I gotta move this. Done. Okay, here we go. First step is to branch each number. The branch looks like an upside down B. You are decomposing each number, breaking it into tens and ones. Do this with me. The value of 4 tens is 40, and the value of 2 ones is 2. The value of 5 tens is 50, and the value of 7 ones is 7. So we have branched 42 into 40 and 2, and branched 57 into 50 and 7. Next step, circle your tens. Do it with me. Now you're going to come down here and you're going to write the addition sentence. 40 plus 50. That is so easy for us to do because these are friendly numbers. They're multiples of 10. If you can do 4 plus 5, you can do 40 plus 50. Near doubles here. 4 plus 4 is 8, so 4 plus 5 is 9. 40 plus 50 is 90. Okay? Now we have to go back. We have to combine our ones. Write your sentence. 2 plus 7. Okay. I know that if I put 7 in my head and count up, 8, 9, 2 plus 7 is 9. Now I have to add my tens and my ones, because if I look at my equation up here, my symbol is addition. 90 plus 9, that's secret code cards. What's 90 plus 9, boys and girls? You said 99, you are correct. 90 plus 9 equals 99. All right, guys, I hope that this was helpful. And if you have any questions about branching, please, please, please let me know. I know that this is brand new and not the easiest thing to teach on the computer. So let me know how I can help you guys, okay? Keep up the good work. I miss you, and I'm super proud of you.